Damn, dude. Not bad, bro. Oh shit, that was a yellow jacket. That's a beautiful fish. Are you?
Welcome to smoky fishing. Smoky fishing. Smoky fishing. Smoky fishing. Smoky fishing.
What's up, guys? We're out here today with Louie fishing again. We're out here on this little spot we came to for. Oh, fish on. Oh, I lost them. Yeah, I had one, but I lost it. I didn't set the hook quick enough. He's right here too. He's like right next to my shit. Oh shit, that was a yellow jacket. Oh shit, that was a yellow jacket. Oh, I'm on. Little boogily. Look at that, guys. Perfect size for bait. Yeah, I have other poles and stuff just for bait fishing now. I have like a whole setup just to go bait fishing now. So yeah, we could have easily pulled that off. Got another one right there. Oh, right here, look at that. Oh no, bluegill. It's so cool. Just a little tiny one. Let me get a picture of him. I've never seen a bass this small before. That's a big boy. Off a lure. Okay. Damn, dude. Not bad, bro. Yeah, let me see that thing. Holy shit, man. Dude, that thing is massive. That's a beautiful fish. Are you keeping it today? Oh, he's keeping it if you want to give it to him. Oh, dude, that's beautiful. Oh, man. Sheesh. Alright, guys, so we had a dip. So it's just me now. So we're gonna keep it going. I'm gonna see what happens. See what we catch. Oh, guys, I was on a big one. And it got off. I don't know if you guys seen that, but I was on a real nice one there for a minute. Ah, man.
Smoky fishing. Smoky fishing. Smoky fishing.